we are pleased to launch our Erin, Lena, and Mira model house units at High Grove in Periveo.
Day to celebrate another milestone here at Periveo. We are very grateful for your time and presence as we finally unveil Periveo's newest house models here at the Highway.
The launch of these model units marks an important milestone for us. We take pride in our premium leisure community project, and we are confident that this development will strengthen our position as a developer of choice in this area. To be here to witness the tangible results of our deliberate, thoughtful, and rewarding endeavor as we stand on our mission to make home ownership a rewarding experience by building a greener, well-planned, and integrated lifestyle community with dynamic living spaces such as Periveo's very own Mira, Lana, and Erin.
Congratulations kay Sir Homer sa iyong napakagandang subdivision dito sa Tinayo sa lungsod ng Lipat, at maraming salamat napili niyo ang Lipa City na pagtayuan ng inyong Golden Home Realty Development ng ganitong kalaki, kaganda at kalawak na subdivision.
Premiumness of the houses. Comfort. We achieve comfort by giving these houses bigger lot sizes, bigger floor areas, high ceiling heights. Houses at Periveo are considered premium with a high quality of materials used, such as the all-solid wood, stairs, doors, etc. Lastly, the well-being of the residents are taken into consideration.
We hope that today's event will result to achieve our common goal of enriching people's lives through building life's treasures.